I'm getting lost. Like, what should I look at?
I think it's important for you to guys just go experience.
Do you think that Gen Zs are too picky when they're looking for jobs?
They want something easy.
We're really picky in the sense that our expectations are way too high.
So basically, this game is called Slay or Nay.
I think it's nay.
I'm already out. I don't know. I know about that.
Ready to find your dream job, but your dream job can't seem to find you? Well, you're not the only one. Welcome to Job Descriptions 101, where we help you land that dream gig. Today, we're talking to Gen Zs to find out what might be holding them back and how they can improve their chances. Do you think that Gen Zs are too picky when they're looking for jobs?
Maybe a bit, because I think, today, we have a lot of options. They want something easy.
We're really picky in the sense that our expectations are way too high.
We kind of just feel like the pay isn't enough. I think just the standard's high.
Because there's too many competitors nowadays.
When you're looking at job descriptions, what is the thing that you look for the most?
I think like a family-like relationship.
Maybe good hours.
More flexible time.
Okay, you want to play some games?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Sure.
So basically, this game is called Slay or Nay, and you will decide whether you like that job or not. We'll start with mystery job number 1. Sounds interesting to you?
Yeah.
So it is a slay.
Yeah, sure.
So probably like a sleigh.
Does that sound good to you?
Nay.
Mystery job number 1 is hotel housekeeper. So no.
No.
First one is a no.
Thank God I chose nay.
Yeah, if it pays okay.
So on to mystery job number 2.
I would say not my thing, that's for sure.
I hate to code. I hate programming. I think it's nay.
It's a nay. It's junior software developer. No, not really into that.
I don't want to sit behind the table programming.
It's not my field, but yeah, maybe.
You never know. Moving on to mystery job number 3.
So it's a slay.
It's a slay.
Yeah.
It's marketing research assistant.
It's lovely. I would enjoy these kind of roles.
Sound good to you?
Yeah, I guess so, yeah.
Not bad. So on to mystery job number 4.
So data analysis, support strategy, prepare reports. Yeah, I would say so.
Yes. Again, a yay.
Also a nay for me.
Is junior business analyst, which is an immediate no. Okay, then
Yeah.
that sounds great to you.
Again, another analysis role.
Mystery job number 5.
Yeah, I guess I would do it.
So yeah, sleigh.
It's a slay for you.
Yeah.
It's a social media coordinator.
Okay.
So, still up for it? You still want to be a social media coordinator?
Sure, yeah, I wouldn't mind.
Yeah, I think I like that actually.
You really like that,
Yeah, I
huh?
would-
So now that you know what it is, do you still think it's a slay?
Yeah, it's just like.
Well, it seems like we've made a few matches already. Aunty HR, any tips for the rest of us on finding our perfect position? So earlier, we had a bit of a mixed bag when it came to what people are looking for in a job. So Aidil, what exactly are you looking for in a job?
Well, for me personally, I'm looking for a meaningful work-life balance, that flexibility in life.
Right, of course.
Yeah, so I do think that remote work might be something that I want to look into. And I'm getting lost. What should I look at?
I think it's important for you to guys just go experience. If you're looking for something more stable, then you go for permanent employment. The gig economy is something also trending nowadays. It's quite common. People want to have the flexibility to hop from job to job, to do what they like and to get variety of experience. So don't worry, just go for it.
Given that Gen Z's focus on growth and self-development, do you think that is enough, or is it helpful to have a mentor to be introduced into the job market?
I think if you guys want to self-learn, it's okay. But it will be easier if you have somebody to share the experience with you. I always think that having a mentor is a good thing. Even very successful CEOs, they also have career coaches. Because sometimes you just cannot see the full picture when you are inside the frame. You still need an outside point of view.
So, Auntie, I have one more question.
Sure.
Relating back to the fixed-term contract.
Yes.
I want to ask, in regards to the compensation,
Yes.
if it were to end, is it highly realistic that I can achieve, get higher compensation after my contract is ended?
Well, it depends how bad they want you. Because when you guys in a fixed term contract, right, it's already understood the contract will end on that day. So the company, if they want to continue the contract, you also have to agree.
Yeah.
Right? So if you hold the company ransom because you are that good and say, I will only continue if you give me X amount of increment, then you have the power. But the trick is, the company needs to need you more than you need them.
So you have to seek the opportunity.
Yes.
If like it comes to it, it's about you,
Yes.
about the company.
Yes.
So, Aunty HR and Aidil, thank you so much for joining me in doing this deep dive whether Gen Z struggle is real. So it's reassuring to know it's not just in our heads, and it's also encouraging that there are still opportunities we can take advantage of.
Gen Z isn't imagining it. There are real challenges in today's ultra-competitive job market. However, they prioritize work-life balance and purpose-driven work over high salaries. And employers are adapting by offering flexible work options. Unfortunately, contract positions often lack perks like better health insurance and incentive, which may deter those seeking job security and comprehensive benefits. Nevertheless, some Gen Z individuals might consider these roles if the company culture and growth opportunities align with their beliefs and career goals. Despite the challenges, there are various career paths and opportunities to explore.